Hello on YouTube. I'm back with another update here. I'm currently at the Torrey Pines Reserve in San Diego, California. These pine trees are one of the only places in the world that this species grows in. So it's a very interesting place. And there is a fog bank rolling in at the moment off the ocean. The sun was out a couple minutes ago. So this trail will take you down to the beach. So I'm going to try to get this trail recorded. And there's a couple of those pine trees right here. They call them Torrey pines. So to get here, I took the 905 bus from Otay Mesa, caught the trolley to downtown, and then another trolley to Old Town, got another bus there up to UNC, and then had lunch there at Red Robin, and then got another bus from there to here. So I am going to follow this trail down to the beach. There goes a rabbit. Not going to be able to see much, unfortunately, due to the fog. So this trail goes to the Broken Hill Overlook. And the beach is off in this direction. overlook. You can kind of see the ocean a little bit through the fog here. And so this fog apparently is just very local because the sun is shining just a mile away there. So maybe I will get a view after all. So I have my next load lined up for tomorrow morning. It's going to Houston, Texas. But as I said before, the rates have again fallen flat, so I'm not going to make much this week. I didn't do well on the stock trading today either. On paper, I lost $100. So I guess all I can do is try again tomorrow, keep practicing. So I am even on the week at this point, though. I haven't lost anything this week as of now. I'm even. Gained 100 earlier in the week. So there is kind of a canyon below here. And there's a view of the ocean. So the fog appears to be breaking up. And it's warmed up a little bit in the past few minutes. I may have to take my layer back off. stairs here. Final descent to the beach. I am going to walk southbound along the beach toward Black's Beach. Tide appears to be out, so I have plenty of room to walk. This is one amazing place. And it is right centered in San Diego, north side of San Diego. The tide is out right now, but if it comes back in, certainly don't want to be caught here when it comes back in, because it can go all the way up to the cliff line as far as water levels. And if you're caught out here, you got no way to get back up out. So yeah, you don't want to come down here if the tide is coming in. So the temperature has warmed up a few degrees. I'm about ready to peel my layer back off again. And I'm going to be ending this video shortly. I'm going to continue on southward toward La Jolla. And then from there, I'm going to catch another bus, start heading back. So, also one more thing. I witnessed an accident yesterday. Two people in front of me came out. Both were trying to make left turns from either side, both sides of the road. They came out and met right in the center lane, slammed head on into each other about 50 feet in front of me. I heard a bang. I looked, I couldn't believe it. They were in such a hurry, both people, that each person was trying to make a left coming from opposite sides of the road, and they ended up head on collision. And I just scratched my head sitting there wondering, could either person see what was coming? And if you even had a 1% awareness of your surroundings, you would have seen they were coming. And, you know, I don't know, man. I guess most people are just operating on automatic pilot these days. I was kind of scratching my head in wonderment on that. I mean, the road wasn't that narrow. It was a 4-lane street. It had a center turn lane in it. They had plenty of time to see each other. A white pickup and a gray car, I think. A white pickup, you would think the person in the gray car would have seen the white pickup coming. So again, my next load picks up tomorrow morning. I don't have to travel far to get it, and it is again going to Houston. Not really going to make much money with the load, but it is very light, so it will save me a bit on fuel there, but I only stand to make maybe a few $100s on it. And really, this industry needs more regulation because people just are not getting paid enough who do this work for the risks involved. They're not getting compensated for it. And that doesn't just go for employees, that goes for even drivers on their own. Their rates are just not compensating people adequately. And the reason for that is there's not enough regulations. As I said in the previous video, too many people are pocketing too much of the money that shouldn't be. And that's what happens when there's not any regulations on stuff, unfortunately. So as I said, this links with my trading on stock market, which I know I didn't have such a good day today, but it doesn't mean I'm going to give up either. If that doesn't work, I'll have to think up something else. I don't know what. I have no clue at this point, but I can't see continuing like this, getting a few $100s for a load where I should get probably $1,500 for in my pocket. Based on the level of risk that's involved in doing the kind of work I do, there's a huge amount of risk every day. The risks on the stock market pale in comparison to the risks I take every day that truck is moving. The risk involved in it. I mean, I'm beginning to feel it just isn't worth it, and I'm like I should just park the truck and say forget it from now on if I'm not going to get compensated. So there's some interesting rocks here. So as you can see, the water does very frequently come up to this level. So I'm going to end this video here. I'm already on to 36 minutes. I'm going to continue with my trading strategy and try to see if that's going to work out or not. My child support is scheduled to be over in 4 more months or so, so I'm hoping to be able to make a decision then as to what I'm going to do next with my life, if I'm going to continue. If the rates stay the way they are now and I don't get compensated, what I feel I should be getting for doing this. I'm going to consider getting out of this industry and move on to something else. Well, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the views I shared here, and I will be back. I still got 4 more videos to post on yesterday, and I will post them soon.